Hi, I am really excited about getting this new cord organizing kit here. It has quite a few things in here. As you can see, I have like an office area here, a TV, my upstairs by the nightstands, so those cords kind of get a little messy. So I'm going to be using this kit for multiple areas. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and let's see what we got and try to get our cords organized. So I just used about a quarter of what we had. It had these zip ties that I hadn't used yet, but this Velcro stuff is awesome to keep things all together. So if you have a computer or an area that just needs a lot of organization and keeping things together, this is kind of a one-stop shop for all your stuff. So I'm super excited and happy that I got this product, and I hope you get yourself one and you do as well. Thanks.